Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you learners? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health at your home. I'm your maths teacher Hirarshad. Today our topic is fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a whole divided into how many parts? Suppose I have a whole circle and I have divided in it 4 parts. Then the whole will be denominator and the present values which I have, the part which I have, which we have, will be numerator and this will be fraction. A fraction must contain numerator and denominator. Topics to cover in this video are fractions, halves fractions, quarter fractions, other fractions, proper and improper fractions, equivalent fractions. Open your book, textbook, page number 100. Here, have a look. Tick the shapes that are divided into halves. If a whole is divided into two parts, then the parts we have will be half of the whole. Here I have this part. Yes, it is half. Yes, half, half, half. Is this half or not? No. Okay, next color one half of each shape. I have to color the one half of the shape. The whole shape will not be colored, so I have to color one half the shape. Similarly, you have to color other shapes. Draw a line into divide these collection in half. I have to divide these sets into half. Here I have 6, so 3 will be half of the 6. Here I have 4, 3s are 12. I have to half the shapes 6 because 6 is half of 12. Similarly, I have to half these collection of shapes, so I have to half this one. Tick the shapes that have 1/4 shaded. 1/4 means I have 4, a whole is divided into 4 and 1 will be colored. So this is 1/4. Yes, this is 1/4. No, this is 1/4. Yes, this is 1/4. Yes. Next question is, what fraction of the shapes has been colored 1/2 or 1/4? Here 1/2. No, 2 are colored, 2 are uncolored. So this will be 2/4. Is this or not? No, this is not 1/2. 1/4. No, this is not 1/4. But one thing in this shape is that 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This means 1/2. But the shape is not divided into 2 parts, it is divided into 4 parts. So this shape is not colored in 1/2 nor in 1/4. This is 1/4. This is 1/4. 1/4. 2/4. Or 1/2. We can say that 1/2. Similarly, this is 1/2. But this will not be shown as 1/2. Next question is, color 1/2 or 1/4. We have to color 1/4. I have 4 parts and 1 will be colored. The next one is, I have divided the shape into 1/4. The color will be 1/2. 2 will be colored because I have told you that 2/4 is equal to 1/2. Now 1/4 I have to color this. 1/2 I have to color 2 shapes, 2 parts like that. We have learnt about 1/2 and 1/4. 1/2 will be halves and 1/4 will be quarter. So how the shape is divided into halves and quarters? If a shape have two parts, then the one part which we have will be half of the whole shape. It means fractions can be shown as, fraction will be 1/2 because 2 is the whole denominator and 1 is the numerator which we have. Fraction has two parts. The number we have will be numerator and the number which is represented as a whole will be shown as denominator. If the shape is divided into 4 equal parts like that, 1 2 3 4 equal parts, the one part which we have will be quarter of the shape and shown as 1/4 quarter. If we have set of values, set of fractions, then the number which we have, suppose I have sets like that, these are 2 2 2, I have sets of 2, the two circles will be said as set. So I have to circle, I have to mention the quarter of the shapes. So the one set will be said as quarter. See in your book page number 103. Draw lines to divide these collections into 1/4. I have collections set of 4. 1 2 3 4 is a one set. 1 2 3 4 is another set. 1 2 3 4 other. 1 2 3 4. I have 4 sets of 4. The quarter, the 1/4 of the sets will be shown like that. The next one is set of 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So the quarter of these collection will be 1 2. Similarly, you have to circle all the other shapes.